Hey guys, it's Caiti and welcome back to my second channel. So today I'm going to be throwing it back to old Caiti videos. This is just going to be like a sit down kind of video on my vlog channel. And I know this is my vlog channel, it's supposed to be for vlogs, but I want to do other things besides just that. Today I'm going to be doing a huge makeup and skincare haul from all the PR that I receive. If you guys don't know, I used to be a beauty guru in the back days. That's how I gained probably around like 50,000 subscribers, is from doing makeup and beauty related videos. And if you go back maybe 6 months ago, you'll see how much makeup I used to wear. And I barely wear makeup anymore. I mostly just like do my eyebrows and mascara, and if I'm feeling lucky. Companies still send me lots of PR from makeup to skincare in hopes that I share it on my channel, because that's just a really good way to get their brand out there. So I thought today I would just share with you guys all the recent products that company have sent to me. This is not trying to be a flex. I'm not trying to be showing off or anything. All this was sent to me for free because I do have an audience, and companies want to see their product be shown to an audience in hopes that people will buy it. I haven't really tried any of this out. It's still in like the packaging. Since I do get so many PR boxes, it's hard for me to keep all the boxes and like save them all up because there's so many. I took out my trash probably like a few days ago and I had 12 PR boxes stacked on top of each other. So all the boxes are gone, but everything's still in its packaging. Let's hop right down to this. We're not going to go in any specific order, but we're going to start with Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier actually emailed me and they're like, hey Caiti, we love your channel and would like to send you some free product. And I said, okay, of course. So they did, and they sent me a note. Here's a little note, and it says, hey Caiti, thank you for your interest in Laura Mercier. Enjoy some of our favorite products and be sure to share what you love the most. Hashtag Laura Mercier. All the best, Laura Mercier team. So I just love when companies do handwritten letters. It makes you feel very special. And then they sent me this really nice bag. Like, this is a very nice bag, and then in it is all of the product. This is what it looks like. This was in a very small PR package, which I appreciate a lot because of how much waste people use when they send out PR packages. I like the smaller ones that don't use a ton of extra bougie packaging. That way we can save the environment. If you guys don't know, Laura Mercier is a huge brand that is sold in both Sephora, Ulta, and all that high-end products and quality stuff. The first thing that they sent me was this Indiscretion Face Illuminator powder. When you open it, it's just a highlighter. Really pretty, like a goldeny rose gold highlight, and they have sent me this in PR before. A lot of the makeup that I do get in PR, I donate or give to friends or just all that kind of stuff because I don't need it. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so a lot of this I will just keep. I have a whole like portion of my closet of unopened makeup that I let friends and family raid through when they come over. The next thing that I got is a foundation primer Hydrating, and I'll actually probably use this because I love facial primers. I'm gonna squeeze this onto my hand. Ooh, it smells really good, but I have dry skin and oily skin, so I love hydrating primer. I like that a lot actually, so I will definitely give that a try. Now it's all over my hands. Also, if I seem a little low energy right now, I just woke up from a nap and I'm exhausted, but I wanted to film this video for you guys and get up a vlog channel video. Then they sent me these two pencils. Ooh, they sent me 3 pencils. 2 are shiny and 1 is matte. So the 2 shiny ones are the Laura Mercier Moonlight Caviar Stick Eyeshadow and Copper Caviar Stick Eyeshadow. Oh no! This one is most definitely broken. This one came broken, which is okay. That does seem to happen in PR a lot just because it's getting shipped. It's still really pretty though. You just gotta be careful with it. That's a really pretty like goldeny eye pencil. I'll actually use that. That one's more golden and like rose goldy. So those are both very, very pretty. And then the matte one is this, and this is their cobblestone stick. Oh yeah, so this one is not sparkly. It's just like this taupey brown color. That could be pretty to smoke out on your crease. Hibiscus long wear lip liner. Ooh, very pretty pink color. I really can't see that well, so oh no, that is not a good job. Using the viewfinder as a mirror. Oh no. I don't know if that looks good or not. If my makeup looks whack for the rest of this, I'm sorry, but pretty lip liner. I like the color, and that's a color I would actually use. Then they sent me a lipstick. Ooh, let's hope this is the matching one. This is their blush pink lipstick. This is pretty. Okay, I think this might be the matching one. That's like a matte lipstick. It's a very pretty pink color. I actually like that a lot. The packaging is also very heavy duty. And then the last thing that they sent in that package is this Laura Mercier translucent loose face powder. This is probably their most popular product of all, and I have one of these that I've actually bought myself before, so I'm not going to open this one unless I use that one all up. This is probably their best-selling product. It's probably one of their best products in general. They also do have a one for a deep skin tone complexion. That's everything that Laura Mercier sent to me. Thank you guys so much. Can't wait to play with all these products. The thing I'm probably most excited for is the hydrating primer, because that's something that I would use very often. Next, we're going to go to Juno & Co. And Juno & Co. is not as well as a known brand as Laura Mercier. Mercier, but they've been sending me PR forever, and they have sent me like 3 packages this last month. First thing that they sent me was their new brush collection. I can't even hold them all, but they came out with a ton of new brushes, and I actually really want to try these. Makeup brushes are something that I love to try and test out, and Juno & Co is a very affordable makeup line. So I'm going to open a few of these and share my opinions on like the softness, the packaging. This one is the 03 Angled Powder and Contour Brush. And by the way, you don't have to use brushes for exactly what they say. They can be multi-purpose. I'm going to do like the Beauty Guru hand thing, but it's just really pretty like pink and then silver, and the brush is actually soft. This is really soft, and I can see how people would like this for getting in like the hollows of your cheeks because it's angled. Excited about these. I'm going to open all of these up and then let you guys see all of them. Alright, so after opening every single brush, this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes, and I do think that this has every single brush that you would need to create a full look. There are way more eye brushes than face brushes. I will say there's only around like 4 face brushes, even if you can count this one as a face brush. I like them. All the bristles are very soft, and I'll let you guys know if I continue to like incorporate them into my makeup routine. They seem very nice though, so thank you to Juno & Co. I still have 2 more things to open from them. Then along with that package with the makeup brushes, they sent me their makeup setting powder. Ooh, wait, it's like a square. That's kind of fun. All right, so this has like this shiny packaging, and it says Juno & Co. And on the bottom it says Juno Blur Makeup Setting Powder in the shade Brighten. I love the packaging. It feels very luxe and very heavy duty. Yeah, I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna keep it like this for now, but this is really nice and I'm excited to try it. Right now I'm using a ton of powders, so I don't want to open anything that I don't need to. So these are their 2 little notes that they sent to me, and then we have their last package. This is like their top product right now that they just came out with. It says Occult for Makeup Lovers, and this is their biggest PR package that they sent. Mine kind of fell through the box when I got it, but it's just this big empty box. Honestly though, you could reuse this and like paint over it and make this a really cute box, or like use these in shelving compartments. So I'm gonna keep this box because I like to reuse that kind of stuff. This is the packaging that it comes in, and then you open both sides. So this is very extra packaging. We have already wasted plenty of cardboard and plastic than we need to, just saying. Oh wait, there's another layer. Oh my gosh, it's like 5 layers. Oh, I guess I opened it the wrong way. It's supposed to be like this. So like this, and then you open it. It says you've got it glowing on. Apply cream to face and neck with a gentle massage until fully absorbed. And then here it says, baby, you're a star. Close your eyes and make a wish. All that bougie packaging. Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. I can't tell if it's like a makeup base or a moisturizer. Oh, it's really fragranced. I don't like super fragranced products because you never know what's in them. Meet Juno & Co. Moonshine, a miracle cream made to hydrate and prime skin to perfection. Wear under makeup to create the perfect canvas, or wear it alone to moisturize for natural glowy skin. So it can be like a facial moisturizer or a prep for your makeup. I will say I like the packaging. It is very extra, the amount of layers and stuff they put into it. This is cool though. It's kind of like this dome, like purple thing. I will try it probably. I don't like branching out super much on my skincare products because I know it works for me. Jergens sent me their Natural Glow Face Daily Moisturizer thing. Jergens makes a really good moisturizer, like a body moisturizer that gives tan to it. They sent this to me right before I found my new favorite self-tanner. So if you want to see my new favorite self-tanner, go check out the video on my main channel of me getting ready for homecoming. But I probably won't use this for a while. I don't need this right now because I have a new favorite self-tan, but this is a good one and I have used this before. So next, there's a company called Paula's Choice, and they emailed me and they wanted to send me PR. Paula's Truth glowing skin starts from within. Ooh, I agree. Show your radiance with gentle, non-abrasive exfoliants where the scrubs can't. So they sent me 2 products. They have the Reveal Your Radiance liquid exfoliant. So this has salicylic something acid, which unclogs your pores, smooths and evens your skin tone, and lightweight absorbs quickly. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any alcohol in this product, which is really good. I recommend if you are looking for any skincare products, please look for alcohol in your skincare product. If there's alcohol, throw it away. You do not need alcohol in your products. It's not good for your skin. It doesn't look like there's any alcohol in this at all, but this is just a liquid exfoliant, which is actually kind of fun and I want to try it. Normally exfoliants are really brittle and hard, and when you rub it into your skin, it can be very abrasive, and that's why you're typically only supposed to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. So I like the fact that it's a liquid exfoliant, meaning that like there's no harsh things that could break your skin apart. And then the second product that they sent is your Get Your Bounce Back Peptide Booster. This power formula contains a concentrated dose of 8 highly targeted peptides that give skin a firmer, bouncier, more youthful look and feel. Ooh, okay, I might actually give this to my mom. This one is supposed to make your skin look more youthful. My mom is gorgeous. My mom is very young and she has very good skin. skin. But I feel like she would like this. And here comes with this little dropper, and then you put it in here for yourself. So I'm gonna actually give this to my mom to try. I feel like she would like it, and that would be fun. And she could let you guys know, and then I'll tell you what she thinks about it. Thank you so much to Paula's Choice. I'm actually gonna try this product tonight, and hopefully we'll see if my mom likes that one. I've never really heard about their brand before, so that's cool because supporting small brands is amazing. We do have a few more products, and the rest of them are all from ColourPop. ColourPop has been sending me PR for probably like 9 months now, and I love ColourPop, one of my favorite makeup brands ever. It's affordable and it's good quality. So they sent me a bunch of packages. The most recent one that they sent me is for fall. This is just a handwritten note that says, "Hey love, we're falling for you." And if you guys don't know, I do have a coupon code for ColourPop. If you ever order anything off colourpop.com, you can use the code 5Katie to save $5 off your purchase. No, I don't get paid from that, but it's just a cool way for you guys to save some money. And in their most recent package that they sent to me, they sent me their So Jaded palette with Kathleen Lights. Kathleen Lights has come out with another palette from ColourPop that they did send to me before, but this is their newest one, and I'm very excited about it because it is huge. I don't think ColourPop has ever done a palette this big, but I think she said it comes with like 30 shades or something in it, and the packaging is stunning. It's all like jewels and gems, which I like a lot. Look at this palette. There's so many colors you can create so many looks with. There's a lot of like neutral shades, which I like, but then there's also the pops of colors that you can play around with. So I would probably stick with like the neutrals, but this is also a really good palette for fall, which I appreciate them sending with like the fall PR, because these are all very fall colors. Like these aren't very summery colors because they're not neon or bright. You do tend to see a lot more greens and smokier reds and browns come out during fall. I could not be more excited for this palette. Although I don't wear eyeshadow that much, playing around is super fun to me still, and I will use like the neutral warm tones. And lastly, ColourPop sent me another package. They came out with their peach collection, Baby Got Peach, and they sent me this I think like a month ago. It says, "Hey love, your berry sweets," and again it just has my little code on it. This is a bunch of product. I think I actually put some of the product that they sent to me from this in my like drawers already, but I'm going to show you what I haven't used yet. So they sent me Do You Want a Peach of Me Super Shock Trio, and this just comes with 3 Super Shock shadows, which if you guys don't know, it's one of their like specialty eyeshadows. I'm just going to open this to show you, but like this is one of them. It's called In Access, and they're like a cream to powder shadow, so they're really popular. And I think ColourPop now has a line for every single like fruit. Like I know they have a strawberry one, they have a peach one, they have a watermelon one. They've sent me a bunch of these like different collections before. They send out so much PR and launch so many new products. It's really hard to keep up with them, but they always come out with amazing new stuff. So then this is the Nothing On BFF Duo Luminizing Mascara. Ooh, wait, that's kind of fun. I love new mascara. This says it comes with the Grande BFF liquid liner and the Brownie Points BFF volumizing mascara. Oh, this is brown, I think. They sent me their brown mascara from the BFF collection, and this is their One Smart Cookie one. This is their liner, and they sent me their black liquid like felt tip pen liner, and it's one of my favorite liners ever. I don't know how often I'll use the brown liquid liner, but I do like brown mascara, so I'll definitely be using these a lot. Then this is their pressed powder cheek. This is a very like neutral tone blush. I will not be using this shade because I like very neon pink blushes, so I'll probably donate this or give it to a friend or something. I think this is actually a bronzer. It doesn't let you know, it just says like cheek product, so this could be a blush for some people, but I definitely think that's a bronzer, so I will actually try this product out. That seems nice. Ooh, Lippy Crayons. So these are like these nude stick crayons. That's what they look like. Really pretty nude shades, which are typically the lip colors that I will wear. Bellini BB lip scrub, and I'm still working on one from their strawberry collection of the lip scrub, but I do really like these. Ooh, this is their peach palette. Okay, Baby Got Peach. I have like every single one of these small palettes that they've sent out, and I love them all. I use them all the time. There's just a very neutral, like cool tone, orangey, pinky shades. There's some shimmers, and yeah, they do eyeshadows really well. And then there's one last cheek shade that they sent to me, and it's just another blush, and this one is called Fresh and Peachy. That is all the PR that I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little throwback of my channel. I used to do makeup hauls and skincare hauls and all that kind of stuff all of the time, but if you enjoyed this video, let me know, and I maybe will do some more of hauls and makeup and just PR unboxings and stuff on this channel. If you're new here, subscribe down below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll hopefully see you guys in my next video. Peace in the Middle East.